I'm Sarah May Dilantar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about what is ER diagram and what is ER diagram symbol.
First, what is ER diagram? Entity relationship diagram or ER diagram displays the relationship of entity set stored in database. ERD is a visual representation of different entities within a system and how they related to each other. In other words, we can say that ER diagram helps you to explain the logical structure of databases. At a first look, an ER diagram looks very similar to a flowchart. However, an ER diagram includes many specialized symbols, and its meaning makes these models unique. There are three basic elements of ER diagram. First is the entity or entities. Entity or entities represented in the ER diagram as rectangle shape and name using a singular noun. Second is the attribute. Attribute represented the oval shapes. And third is the relationship. Relationship represented a diamond shape. Let's get to know how three basic elements of ER diagram works. An entity or entities can be a person, place, event, object, and that is relevant to a given system. Like for example, an object car and an object driver. Car and driver are both entities. It's represented in rectangular shape and name using a singular noun. In a relationship, we can say that two entities has relationship if the two interact to each other or related to each other. The car and the driver has relationship because relationship describe how entities interact. In my example, the entity car may be related to the entity driver, but then by interacting the relationship has, and has represented as a diamond shape or what we call a relationship. Entity has also what we call attribute. Attribute is a property, trait, or characteristic of an entity relationship. Like for my example, car has a model or what we call attribute. There are also registered ID and insurance. An entity can mainly have as many attributes as necessary. Driver also has the attribute license, name, address, contact number, age, and other, and many more. These are all the attributes.
Thank you for watching guys, and please do subscribe to my next video.